Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters, a browser and a Replit account. First, click Create and select Python 3 so the environment matches standard CPython. Name the project clearly, choose private or public depending on sharing needs, and hit Create. Once done, Replit generates main. Py and opens the console. That file runs when you press Run. You're starting in an isolated workspace, which prevents global system changes and keeps dependencies scoped to this project. You'll edit main. Py and can add files for cleaner structure. Import them normally to keep code modular. When you need external libraries, open the Packages tab, search a package name, and click Install. Replit handles pip so you don't manage VEMs manually. To execute, press the Run button or Ctrl+Enter. The console shows stdout and errors. If you need to pass input, use input. Prompts in code and type into the console. This workflow keeps iteration fast and visible. Finish by letting Replit autosave and optionally commit a snapshot through version control for history. When ready, share the project using the REPL link or export a zip to run locally. If something goes wrong, read the traceback in the console first. It tells you the file and line. Make sure installed package names match pip names and verify you picked Python 3 if syntax fails. If the console is unresponsive, reload the page and rerun to reset the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.